Hey everybody, so I'm finally getting this top replaced on my Jeep, and it doesn't seem like it was that long ago when I was filming this video before, and I already replaced the top with a Sierra Off-Road, I think it is. Pretty sure it was Sierra Off-Road, but that video will never see the light of day, because basically, I don't like that top, and I'm not going to suggest or even advertise a top that I don't like, I don't support, I don't care for it. But also, if anybody does need a top, and of course you live in the Charleston or Tri-County area, I will drop this thing off to you for free, as long as your top is obviously garbage. I may or may not help you put it on, I don't know, we'll see. But today, I'm going to be installing a different kind of new top, and it's one of the fastback styles. Kind of always liked those. Whenever I see anybody else driving around with one of those, I'm like, oh, I like that look. So that's what I'm gonna put on today. But I'm in a bit of a hurry. Got a little bit of a family emergency, so I need to make sure that my vehicle is good and roadworthy. Gonna go ahead and rip the lights off of it so I get better gas mileage. I'm taking this thing on a bit of a road trip. This is what I got. It is one of the best tops. It's the NX top, whatever it says in the description down there. I've had this thing sitting in my house for like, oh, it's probably been like a month? No, again, we'll go 3 weeks. It's been like 3 weeks. Had the thing just sitting there. So I'm gonna get this Bestop Trektop NX Glide. That's what it is, for the Wrangler JK Unlimited 07 to 18 Black Twill. Because black Twill tops I've had in the past, I like them better. I'm also gonna be a little bit lazier with this video. And so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on some music. You can watch me swap out this top just to make sure that if the Village Idiot can do it, you can do it too. And if I come across any revelations, I'll let you know during the video. And of course, it'll be my review of it at the end. Although it will be after my trip, because I wanna make sure that it's a good top. So sit back, listen to some tunes, and here we go.
Got my Jeep, sun is shining bright, but something's not feeling right. My old top, it was worn and faded, got a new one, but it's not well graded. The fabric sags and the seams look weak, seen a floppy soft top, makes me free. To the back, tossed it like a boss, didn't even bother counting the loss. Went online, saw a new design, said Bestop on the brand new, it was mine. Fastback style, sleek and tight, gonna fix this problem day and night. Oh no, I don't want a floppy top. When I'm on the now it's on there, feels so strong. No more sagging where I belong. The lines are clean, the fit is great. Got a new soft top, escape my fate. No more floppy top. When I'm on the highway, my spirit is way up. No more flapping in the breeze, no terrible sound. Soft top I've ever found. Yeah, I don't want a floppy top. This beautiful soft the wind picked up, oh, what a sight. Floppy top, flop, flop, flop. It sags, it flaps, it just won't stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no, no. Floppy top, gotta let it go. Floppy top, flop, flop, flop. It sags, it flaps, it just won't stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no, no. Floppy top, gotta let it go. Pulled into town, looking real slick, but my top's flapping like a magic trick. People point and laugh, yeah, it's pretty quick. Floppy top, flop, flop, flop. It sags, it flaps, it just won't stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no, no. Floppy top, gotta let it go. Floppy top, flop, flop, flop. It sags, it flaps, it just won't stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no, no. Floppy top, gotta let it go. Wind's got jokes, and I'm the punchline. Feels like I'm driving a circus sign. Rain comes down, and I'm soaked inside. Floppy top's the worst ride of my life. Floppy top, flop, flop, flop. It sags, it flaps, it just won't stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no, no. Floppy top, gotta let it go. Floppy top, flop, flop, flop. It sags, it flaps, it just won't stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no, no. Floppy top, gotta let it go. I bought myself a Jeep last June. Thought I'd ride it under the moon, but now my joys are lit off tune. That top, it sags, it droops, it drops. I call it now my floppy top. Flop, flop, flop goes the floppy top. Flapping in the breeze, please make it stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no. Flop, 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 it's got to go. Driving down the highway fast. That top's got rhythm, it's got sass. But oh, it makes my fun not last. It flaps, it slaps, it won't stay still. I'm chasing dreams, but it's all uphill. Flop, flop, flop goes the floppy top. Flapping in the breeze, please make it stop. I don't want a floppy top, no, no. Flop, 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 it's got to go.
I seriously hope that top gets easier to take off and put on. See you back here tomorrow morning. I've now had the top on for a week, maybe a little bit more, with the traveling around that I've been doing, and I have come to a few conclusions. The first of which, I was really concerned about some of the water infiltration areas, specifically right here around the front. I might have to replace this weather stripping on top of the windshield. I'm just not sure how watertight that really is, but it didn't leak on me. So there's that. Come down the side here, fits pretty well. Then when it comes to the back, the best that I can do with this is just to kind of like wad it up into here. There's this little water sealant area right here. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it kind of bunches and folds right there. I've been trying to do different things to get this thing to not do that. This is on the passenger side. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the driver's side. Over here on the driver's side, there isn't that little wavy bit to it right there. So I'm not sure if there's a difference in how it was cut, how it's manufactured, or maybe I'm just doing something wrong. But either way, neither side seemed to be dripping water in right here in this little corner, which is good. The next part that was kind of worrying me a bit, I was so used to just, you flip the zipper around, you flip the top up. It's easy, right? And going to this glide system where it's got this tray thing here, this little split slot system, The first time I was putting this thing on, it was a beast to get together. Like, I didn't know what I was doing. It wasn't fitting very well. It was, you know, really tight just to begin with. It hadn't stretched out, it hadn't relaxed at all, but it has now. Might have to get this tailgate just a little bit, but now it's really easy to just pull. This whole thing comes up. If you really need to flip it like up over the top, you can. I'm not gonna do that with, you know, the camera in the other hand, but then put it back down, it just slides right in there. These little tabs just flip right on down, and I even made it extra difficult for myself because I twisted it just a little bit. I am pretty sure that with one hand and holding the camera, I can get this whole side in pretty easy. Like, it's no problem at all. And over here on the passenger side, oh, it went ahead and just flipped itself in. But, you know, for testing purposes, got to make sure that I can do this with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. Yep, it's really easy, like shockingly easy. I'm surprised at just how much easier the glide system is than the zippers. I always thought the zippers, that'd be the easiest thing to use, right? Well, maybe not. Another one of my areas for concern was this little spot right up here, because, you know, if you're flying down the interstate, there's not a whole lot keeping this down other than this, you know, kind of like partial Velcro right here. And there's literally a hole right here, but never once did I get any water going up into there, which was kind of nice. Wouldn't really even have to go that far, but no, I got nothing up in there. Even right here in the center where that little sticker is, hopefully you can see it. That little sticker is right there. Not even a little bit of water damage, nothing. So I must say that I am quite impressed with it. And so this is how it looks, you know, just like it was, you know, the original. That's what it looks like in the pictures. Let me go ahead and take the sides and back of it off so you can see what that looks like, because I kind of like the, almost looks like a boat tonneau cover. Not tonneau cover, bimini cover. It's like a bimini top. Maybe it is a bimini top. I don't know these things. And disassembling the top is actually real easy. You just pull, yank, and slide. Just that easy. When pulling off the sides, just got to flip this up a little bit. And let me try to remember. Hang on, it's been a minute. Ah, that's right. It's got this little pull loop thing down here at the bottom. You just yank it off. There it goes. And once that's off and that's off, the whole thing just kind of flips and flops, and there it goes. The other side, just the same. Let's see if I can do this a little bit smoother. Yank on these tabs. Oh, I forgot there's a snap in there. That's why it ripped that other thing off. All right, you gotta undo the little snappy thing inside of here. My bad. Then yank these things off. Pull this, open door. Always forget something. Velcro? What did I forget this time? And there's a little post thing. Sorry, forgetting stuff all the time. Post thing, snappy strap. And then you just fold the little Velcro bits down, and you got a bimini top. Pretty sure that's what it's called. I kind of like how this looks. And just like the regular top, flip these little flippers inside. Give this a little lift up, and it slides right on back. And if you got some boards like this, so much easier. I almost got it. Let me go to the other side. And it's pretty good, not bad. Still trying to figure out what to do. Oh, you can't see me over there. So everything's nicely flipped back like this. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do with these flippy floppy straps. I have been kind of flipping and rolling them back in there like this and kind of hoping that that pinching action, it kind of holds it in place. Of course, if you've got a better option, I would love to see it down in the comments what you came up with to make this whole thing work a little bit better. So then when you're cruising around, you got the whole top just kind of flipped up there to the back, the little Sunrider position. And I guess it's still kind of like a Sunrider, even though the back's off of it. Yeah, it's close enough. And then once you get in this position, it's fairly easy to flip these little things around. Obviously, if your Jeep's shorter, you can probably just reach up there and grab it. I don't know, I might still be able to do that myself. I'm really not that short, I promise. I'm like 6 foot tall when I have heels on. And then once that's unhooked on both sides, it just rolls right on back. Kind of like that. My bad, it's flipped. There you go, all convertible topped and taken down and ready for some sun and wind, breeze in your hair. Oh, you know what? We need to get some bar doors. What are those things called? Not bar doors, like a saloon door, but you know, the doors that are just bars. I'll have to do that in a separate video. Great idea for next video. Maybe I'll just do a bunch of accessories. Doors and some other exterior stuff. Well, okay, that's the paradigm for today. It may not be the best one or the right one, but that's what the channel's for. Make sure you drop a comment down below if you have anything to say about the top or any suggestions for me. Or anyone else, of course. Do that whole like and subscribe thing to the channel. May seem small, insignificant, not all that important, but it really does help the channel out. And I greatly appreciate all my subscribers. Stop making fun of how I burnt my radiator. It works. Try it for yourself.
Oh no!